What's up guys, today we're going to install a cargo bag for the roof of the Pilot, and with this bag you don't need a roof rack. So let's do it, let's install it. Okay guys, so today we have a new product to test. It's a cargo bag, the bag that you put on the roof when you are you're going to camping or vacations, okay? But this one, a roof rack is not necessary because it has hooks that you can hook inside of the, let me show you. You can hook here under this rubber, okay? So it's amazing. This one will not block the bags, the airbags. So this one is gonna be amazing. But let's open the box. Let's see it. Let's see what it comes, and let's see the product. Alright, this is what it comes inside of the box. It comes with the bag for the roof cargo bag. It has like a mat to put in the roof so you won't scratch your roof of your car. This is the cargo bag. Okay, but we're gonna open on top of the Pilot, Honda Pilot, and it comes with two different styles of straps. So this one is the one that hooks to the door, to the rubber thing on the door. Okay, I forgot to add, these extra 4 straps are for the cars that have roof rack, okay? So it has 4 of these and 4 of these, 2 different styles, okay? I think this one is to hold it on the sides and this one is to wrap it around, okay? So let's put it on the Pilot and let's see how good it is. Let's do it. Okay, now let me show you how it looks. This one, it has this thing, it's nice. Okay, and it has like this, put a hook to hold it. And this is how I put the mat. So I left it like this because I'm gonna put one hook here to this door and then the other one here to this door too. Okay, that's why I didn't put it all the way to the back. But maybe you can put it all the way to the back and hook it to the trunk. But for me, I'm gonna test it like this. This is very thick, okay, so this is amazing quality. You can feel it, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but this, wow, super thick. Let's open it. Let's see, where is the zipper? Let's see, I think it's on the other side. Oh, it's on there, okay. The zipper is here. Wow, this is good material. Yes, and it's a little bit, it's like what? Like 6-8 inches and high. Okay, let me open it all the way like that. Yes, so now let's put some stuff here, but before you put things on top of your roof, make sure you check the maximum weight of your roof. Okay, you don't want to damage your roof before you put the stuff in it. Okay, so I think this one is 100 pounds, I think, but I'm not gonna put things that are too heavy, so let's put some stuff in here. Let's put this one here. Yes, that's good. One. Let's put two more bags. This is one. Let's put one more. Okay, let's put one more here. This one is lighter, so let's put on the front. But this one is heavier. Put it on the back. Okay, so now let's close this. So let me see, this is in the center. I can put more, man. I put a lot more things here. Wow, amazing. So now let's hook these things. Let's put this one, let's put that one. I only gonna put the sides, but this one has a lot of clips. Let's see how hard. Let's see how hard these are to install. Let's put one there, one here, one there, another one over there. Okay. So first, have to put this one here, and then you can put this back. Wow, super easy. And then put this here, put this here. Yes. Okay. Wow. Yeah. So first, it's not too tight because I'm gonna do the other side first. Yeah, I can put more stuff, a lot of more stuff, but let's test it with that. Let's drive around the block and let's see if it moves. Let's do it. Okay, so it looks secure, so let's go around the block. Let's see how it looks. The front part of the cargo bag is lifting because I didn't put a lot of things, and the thing I put on the front is too light. Alright, so that was the test drive. It looks great, but I think I did one mistake here. Let me see if you can see it. In here, it's not that tight. Okay, so to make it tighter, I have to go like this, and then do it like this. Okay, so it is tight. Okay, but that was my mistake. No, it's not because of the bag. Okay, but you can see it. This piece, it was moving with the wind because I don't have a lot of stuff, but you put more stuff, it's gonna be stronger. You can see it. Yeah, it's tight enough. It's not that loose. You can see it. Yeah, it's amazing cargo bag, and the thickness is very good. It's very thick. I like it a lot. And one thing that I like a lot is that it comes with this mat, so with this one you won't scratch your roof. Okay, so this one I recommend it. I like it a lot. The link for this product is gonna be in the description of the video down below. But give me your opinion. Let me know what you think, what I did wrong or everything is good. Put it in the comments. Okay, but the quality I like it. It's amazing. Okay, one thing that is amazing, these straps will not interfere with the airbags. Okay, that's amazing, and I like this one a lot. This one will fit cars, trucks and SUVs. Okay, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Okay guys, that's the roof cargo bag for the SUVs and for cars. You can do it for cars, and the most amazing thing is that you don't need a roof rack. Okay, but the link of this product is gonna be in the description of the video down below. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and share it with your friend. Okay, and see you on the next video.